Hey there, I'll be teaching you how to set up ADB for Android Studios. So first of all, you want to turn on your control hub and then connect to its Wi-Fi just like this. There we go. And after that, you want to go ahead and copy and paste this command right here into your Android Studios terminal. But this is for the Mac version only. There's also a Windows version, but I'll be putting them both in the description below. So let's paste it. And you'll see that you've been connected to your control hub. But if it says something else like not able to connect, don't worry. Just turn your control hub off and turn it back on, and then connect to the Wi-Fi and maybe we'll fix the issue. So after this, you want to go ahead and check that it is the right device that's been connected. So copy and paste in this command right here. And that's for the Windows version. Yep, let's paste it. And you can see that this is the device that's been connected. And then just check to see that if it's the same numbers, and if it is, then there you go. You've been successfully connected to your control hub.